Today we're going to show you how to pair your Subaru Outback with wireless Apple CarPlay. So let's start with our phone. So we've got our settings menu, so go ahead and select that. And then if you're not already in Bluetooth, it'll be the third one down, so you can click the Bluetooth button. Then this is when we're going to go back over to the infotainment screen here. So you'll see the little phone icon down in the bottom corner. So go ahead and select that, and then you can click Add Device up here in the top right. Now we're going to wait on our phone to see Outback pop up here. So go ahead and select Outback. Now we'll give you a pin on the screen. Make sure that matches the pin on your phone. Then you can allow contacts and favorites to be synced if you'd like. And then that will send the pairing request back to the vehicle. Now it'll say Adam's phone is connected, so connect to CarPlay. Then once we click connect, it will ask you again on the screen here. So go ahead and click yes. And then it will also ask if there's no other phone registered if you want to set it to your favorite device. So you can say yes or no there. And now it will take just a second to connect, and then that will give us our wireless Apple CarPlay. So what that means is you can have your text messaging, your Google Maps, Apple Maps, everything built right into the screen here. It's very convenient, and you don't need to be messing with your phone when you're out driving around.